Cloud computing continuously defines the modern technical landscape and is a critical component to business strategies worldwide. As one of the most important tools in the field, there are countless opportunities for cloud professionals. INE's Cloud Pass blends hands-on practice with on-demand courses presented by expert instructors. The pass includes over 100 in-depth courses covering cloud technology and the most relevant certifications from vendors like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Build your cloud knowledge with labs and quizzes that reinforce what you learn. With a constant stream of new courses and learning paths, INE prepares you for the present and the future of cloud computing. INE's learning paths prepare you for the industry's toughest exams in one easy-to-track location. We cover the most in-demand cloud certifications, and we're constantly keeping content updated as exams change. We've also included our Development and IT Essentials passes with over 100 additional courses. Work at your own pace. Access our on-demand content from anywhere, on any device. INE has helped thousands of clients pass their certifications and build expertise in the IT field. If you're ready to start a new career or advance in the technology world, INE's world-class training can help you succeed. We're experts at making you an expert. Subscribe today and get access to INE's Cloud Pass.